right, today we're here with the Riapow 26,800 milliamp solar charger in black and orange. Same box as normal. That part's a little different, but same box as normal, just a different solar panel. So same as before, power your life, power your work. Little user manuals here, the actual device, and then a USB-C cable. So let's see what's different about this one. Looks a little thicker, first off. Oh, different material, definitely. Okay. So there's our power button. Also gives us a flashlight, SOS, flashing, and your USBs are under here. So we have a USB-C in and out, and then an out 1 and out 2, which are just regular USBs. So this can charge 3 devices simultaneously. And if we undo this little button here, we can open up the solar panels. And if you were out and about in the woods, you can place this on your backpack, let it keep charging all day. Then when you end your day, you can plug in your phone, get your phone charged, get your lights charged, whatever you need. So I like that this one, this strap's a little different than some of the others. So there's definitely a few design changes. Now, I've tested a lot of these before, and with the USB-C, you can easily get 30 to 50% in 30 minutes, depending on the device, and at least 25 to 40% with the regular USB-As. Of course, that does depend on your device, your cable, what exactly you're charging, and stuff like that. But you can definitely get a full charge in about 2 hours. These things can easily last a couple of days, I believe. 26,000 milliamp hours should essentially recharge an iPhone 13 Pro, I would say 5 to 6 times. Definitely 5, 6, maybe stretching it. You may get 5.5 or 5 and 1/3. Very nice Riapow solar charger. This model number is the FSP016, and very nice from them. Always a great product. But there we go. That's it for the Riapow solar charger.